Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Steam. So all you have to do is launch the Steam application on your PC and sign into your account. Then from here, find the account name, and then click on it. And then from here, click on Edit Profile. And then on Edit on Profile, you should find the option Profile Name. Now from here, you can type in the new name you'd like to use. And also you can add a real name so that it can be easier for your friends to find you. So let me just type in a new name. And then once you're done, just scroll down and find the save button and click on save, and that will update the changes. As you can see now, your name has changed. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.